Oh shit. So there's a fucking fire engine, fire truck. Do you wanna know why? Take a guess for a second. Pause the video, take a guess. There's a fucking gas leak in someone's house, which is very...
That's unlucky.
Yeah, very unlucky for them. If they didn't know, mate, they could have died easily. You can't smell the gas either, I can't remember what it's called. Look mate, fire engine, there's loads of traffic now. They're actually starting to turn around. But mate, look at this look. I think they're getting rid of all the gas.
Yeah, is that a pipe?
Yeah, it's some sort of pipe. I don't know what pipe.
Look at that way.
Yeah, I'm gonna lay down.
Can't be asked for this shit.
Nope, not there. Cold and wet.
There's loads and loads of traffic.
Not actually that much.
I know you can't see that, but there's loads of traffic.
There's fucking people all the way down there as well. I don't know if you can see, but it's shit quality. Get out of the way, bitch. I've never seen this. And we're just here to wait for it to explode. And they're doing a great job dropping shit. Holy fuck. Well, he just died.
Long.
Lol.
You see that thing is like... I saw someone like, Smosh.
Yeah.
I saw one of their videos, they're like... we should phone the phone and be like, does anyone here know CPR? And if someone's like, yeah, I do, just go, ah, you fucking nerd. See right now?
Nah.
Steps and fall over and roll down the steps.
Nah, mate. Roll down the steps, we'll fucking die by doing that. Letting them just... Yeah, there's 2 police cars down there.
How did
and
they
then-
find out that there's a gas leak?
I really don't know how they do that.
They didn't send it to all that gas.
Yeah. I'll just wait for it to explode.
That's not lucky.
If the house explodes.
This could be on the news.
Huh?
This could be on the news. There's been a
Potentially.
couple of monoxide leak that's been on the news.
Yeah, monoxide. Carbon monoxide you cannot smell whatsoever. So it'll kill you very, very quickly. So it's probably one of the most dangerous gases ever. Probably the most dangerous. I'm just waiting for an explosion. That's what I'm waiting for. All the cars are gone, mate. There's still police cars.
Should we cross the road?
This one. Really?
Huh?
I've got a nice view here. Ah, dickhead almost fell up the stairs.
Oh, God. Okay, let's go. I wonder how long this takes. This goes take at least like half hour to get out.
Yeah,
Surely.
probably. The second
Fire truck
yeah.
just turned up.
mate, he's got a man on the front.
Looks very severe.
Must have been fucking awful. I've never seen this happen before.
What the fuck? It's come straight from the window.
Again, I'm
This
just...
is what 5-star chasers are going to shoot.
What,
Go!
fire engines,
Yeah.
definitely. I said to Sam before we started this that my lifetime goal is to keg a policeman.
Here's our chance.
Here's our chance.
You get the one left, I get the one on the right.
Oh, cheers. Yeah, I've got the woman.
Actually, no, I've already
Nah, there's too many. But that is my goal
It's a
lifetime.
hard job with fire truck and just drive off. Oh, look at them.
Oh.
Because that, oh, there are dogs there as well.
Where?
There's dogs in there.
Yeah, I heard that then. Yeah, that woman that somewhere, I don't know where she's gone, she was holding one.
Yeah.
It's coming up behind. Hold on.
There's so many.
Nah, nothing's going up behind yet.
Good on that.
Nah.
Let's have a look.
Now we got a good view of the house in case the explosion happens.
Nah, if it's possible, maybe there'll be a brick like square in the jaw.
Square in the jaw. That's why we
I haven't
duck.
done that. I want to see what's down there. I want to see
Not
what
much.
like, the pipe is leading to.
No, that's on the other side.
Put it up now.
Yeah, no, but that's on the other side of the truck.
Let's have a look.
Right. Go round the tree, dumbass. Right, I'll bring us back in a minute.
Escaped. right? He escaped from the laboratory and he ran outside.
Yeah.
And then I looked at the window and 360 and no skip him.
Wow.
I
As you can see, there's a third fire
There's
engine.
there's no way that's a fourth down there.
Nah, it's someone
There's
else.
an ambulance.
Yeah, it's a mini one, but there's a
Oh
fourth
my
fire
God.
engine. A third, I mean. And either a police car or mini ambulance. I don't know what that is. Black.
What do they need all of them for?
But up there where the mini lights are.
We currently have one fire engine.
We were both
Going on.
walking up this hill.
We
right
were
here.
going to go up to the shop.
That was it.
This woman's door, and she had opened the jacket in the house, and they had to evacuate the house manager. Oh my God.
Jesus fucking Christ, man. This is fucking mental shit, mate. He's shit scared. Oh my God, the flash.
Yeah, my quality's slightly better.
Mine is better.
It was
anyways.
like dominating me.
Yeah. But the dominance. Yeah, get rid of the flash.
Look at this.
Shit.
It's all.
I'm basically waiting for an explosion to happen. Let's go. Oh wow. We are leaving this to go get some donuts, fam.
Let's go, boys.
So let's go, fam. Gonna go get some donuts and head up this road. Don't know if you can see it, but I can't exactly see it very well. But I'm not sure if all the fire engines are not gone yet.
You can see ambulances.
I can't.
You can just see them though. You can see
Yeah.
them yellow.
I can't. But I was hoping for a fucking. I was hoping for a fucking
No, you can
explosion.
clearly see yellow trucks on them.
Oh no, yeah, I can see one.
There's one behind it, isn't
That'll probably be checking for fucking car. You probably can't see it, but I was checking for. No, they're probably checking for fucking carbon monoxide and shit like that. Just probably still can't see it. All you see is a fucking white light. But we're heading down there now, fam. We'll be there in a minute, fam. Fam. Kids.
It's about to be a record show.
There's only one fire engine left. Still can't see it. We're getting a bit closer now. Mate, Mackey's. Used to be Mackey's. There's one ambulance there as well. I think there's still one or two police cars down there. But do I give a fuck? No. Let's go. Let's go fuck them all up. Let's go fuck them all up right now. We'll try. We'll ask. We'll ask.
You can ask.
Why?
So I talked to people there, it's your turn to ask me.
I don't want to. Okay. Well, that was entertaining.
Very interesting.
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
There's
There's like
a couple like
yeah, there's
police
still-
cars and fire engines.
probably can't see it out there, but there was still what's it called? A fire engine left. Police car and an ambulance. There was police in the house and shit. It all started off by me and Sam walking past these policemen knocking on someone's house saying you need to evacuate. Fucking weird. And I'm gonna end it here. This was meant to be we were meant to be doing a skit, but who gives a fuck?
We'll do one tomorrow, probably.
Tomorrow. That is Legacy Frost right there. I am Legacy Strike and that's it. Bye.
Peace, fam.
What?
Peace, fam.